Hi, are you new here?
Hi. Yes, I just moved here a few days ago.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. I'm John. What's your name?
Thanks. I'm Anna. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Anna. How do you like it here so far?
I like it. It's quiet and very green. The people seem friendly, too.
That's true. People here are usually nice. Where do you live?
I live on Maple Street, near the small coffee shop.
I know that place. Their coffee is great.
Yes, I go there in the morning. I love coffee.
Me too. I need coffee to start my day.
Same here. Without coffee, I'm still asleep.
Yes, I know that feeling. So, are you here for work or for study?
I'm here to study English. I go to a language school near the center.
Cool. Your English sounds really good.
Thank you. I'm still learning, but I try to practice every day.
Do you go to class every day?
4 times a week, Monday to Thursday.
Do you like your classes?
Yes, the teacher is nice and we speak a lot.
That's great. Speaking practice is important.
Yes, I understand more now, but speaking is still hard.
You're doing very well. How long have you been studying English?
For about 6 months.
That's not long. You've made great progress.
Thank you. I listen to podcasts and watch videos too.
Do you use subtitles?
Yes, always. First with my language, now with English.
That helps a lot. So, what do you do in your free time?
I like walking, reading, and doing yoga.
Nice. I like walking too. I come to this park almost every day.
It's a beautiful park, very quiet.
Yeah, I ride my bike here on weekends.
Do you ride alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Do you do yoga at home?
Yes, I follow videos online.
I tried it once. It was hard.
True, some poses are tricky, but I feel better after.
Maybe I'll try again. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Her name is Bella,
What kind of dog?
a small white dog with short legs. Very cute.
I love dogs. Can I meet her one day?
Of course, I bring her to the park every morning.
Great. I'll bring some treats.
She'll like you immediately.
So, do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook simple meals. I like to eat healthy.
I try to cook too, but I'm not very good.
What do you make?
Mostly pasta, sandwiches, and sometimes pancakes.
Pancakes are good. I make them on Sundays.
Nice. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit.
I eat cereal and sometimes a banana.
Do you cook dinner too?
Not every day. Sometimes I order food.
I do that too when I'm tired.
What time do you usually wake up?
At 7:30, I take Bella out and then get ready for class.
That's early. I wake up at 8.
Do you work?
Yes, I work in a bookstore. It's near the school.
I love bookstores. Do you like your job?
Yes, I like reading and I meet nice people there.
Sounds like a good job.
Do you read books in English?
I try. I read short stories now.
That's a good way to learn.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, The Alchemist. I read it every year.
I know that one. I want to read it in English too.
We can read it together and talk about it.
That's a great idea.
So, what time does your class end?
At 12 o'clock. Then I go home, eat lunch, and study.
Do you go out in the evening?
Sometimes I walk or meet friends.
Do you like movies?
Yes, very much. I like romantic comedies.
I like comedies too. And science fiction.
Cool. Do you go to the cinema?
Not often. I watch movies at home. You?
Same. It's more comfortable.
What are you doing this weekend?
No big plans. I want to relax and clean the house.
Sounds productive. I need to clean too.
Maybe we should both do it Saturday and relax Sunday.
That's a good plan.
Do you want to meet on Sunday?
Yes, we can walk with Bella.
Perfect. Morning is good?
Yes, let's say 10 a.m.?
Okay. I'll see you then.
Great. It was nice talking to you, Anna.
Same here, John. Thanks for the chat.
See you on Sunday.
See you.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.